I understand firsthand how overwhelming it can be setting up payroll because it's something new if you've never done it before, but you want to make sure that you're with the right software, the right service, and that you're setting things up so you're not going to have to just tear it all down and rebuild in a couple of years. So in this review of Gusto here, this is going to be a little bit different from most reviews you see online, and that's because I actually use the service. I mean, I know that's shocking that a lot of people would review it without using it, but you can see I've been using it since early 2021. And I wanted to highlight a couple things here in the invoices because what you can see is it was $55 a month for me, but then you're going to see it jump up to $130 because I went into the higher tiered package. Then it went down to $113 and then back down to $56. So what happened there? Well, the reason for that is when you're looking at these different packages, most people are going to fall into the simple or plus. And I went into the plus with priority support because I wanted to test that out. And what I found was for my needs, my basic needs of payroll, 2 employees, I didn't really need the priority support. What matters more to me with that I found from using this service for coming up on 5 years is doing things a little bit early. So first tip to you, do not wait until December for any year-end things you need to do with your payroll. The service and support is going to be slower in December, January, and also around April when taxes are being filed. So what I've started to do is like mid-November is I start to handle things that need to be done on the platform because I just find that support is so much more responsive if you're handling things a few weeks early. Now, the one thing I will say though is if you have a need for multi-state payroll, you're going to need to be in the Plus package. And that's really important because if you're not familiar with things such as FUTA, STUTA, or 941 filings, these are all things that are happening on your behalf via Gusto, and they're going to take care of it, but you need to understand what these things are, and especially on a multi-state payroll. So why don't we jump into some of the taxes and compliance, and I know it's not the most fun thing, but it's so important because if you don't file these things correctly, the IRS can actually fine you 10% of unpaid taxes to them, and that can really start to add up month to month. So if you take a look at my tax documents here, on the top you can see there's federal, state, amended forms, your W-2s for your employees, and then if you do have any contractors, you'll see your 1099s here as well. Now on the federal side, I want to show you what this 941 form actually is. I'll just blur out the sensitive information. This is the employer's quarterly federal tax return. So the things that we're familiar with, such as like Social Security and Medicare and these types of taxes, Gusto is going to file these tax documents on your behalf quarterly. So the 941 is quarterly, and then you can see the 940 is only popping up annual here. So why don't we take a look at one of the 940 forms, just because this is going to be the same for every business. But take a look at this one. This is the 940, and again, this is FUTA, the federal unemployment tax. This is all being filed automatically for you via Gusto. And then on the state level, I'm in New York State, so these forms might be called something else for you, but same thing. So you're paying for your employees' state taxes on the employer side automatically through this section. Now, the thing that I like about Gusto is I've laid out very cleanly. On the left-hand side, you have home, you have people. So you can see I have 2 employees here, and it's good to know that you can add multiple employees. So if you have many employees, you can add them. You can simply copy and paste from a Google Sheet or a Microsoft Excel file. You can do that very easily. And on the people side, you're going to put in information for each employee all the way down as far as their job titles, their pay, their frequency of pay, how they're paid, all these types of things. So it is a little bit of work to get everything set up, but from using this for 5 years, I can say that I'm super happy with the service as long as I get out ahead of support things. Again, it's so important. Mid-November, really start working through your year-end stuff that you have. Don't wait until mid to late December to try to get something in by the end of the year. I have learned that lesson the hard way. The cool thing too is there's a lot of different benefits that you can add in via this platform. It connects in with solo 401ks, health benefits, commuter, life insurance. Real quick editing note, I realized the benefit I forgot to mention was the fact that they have a referral program with Gusto. So I have a referral link in the description below. If you use my link, I may get compensation for that, but you also do as well. The way that comes in is a Visa Debit Card, usually $100 to $200, sometimes more if they're running promotions that time of the year, but you still get the lowest possible price, and you also get a Visa Debit Card that is delivered to you virtually once you run your first payroll with Gusto. So I just wanted to make you aware of that. And if you go to their app directory, you can find a bunch of different services that plug in. The one that I did, if you can see my connected apps actually, is just Google Workspace. This just made it so that it was able to pull in a lot of data from my Google Workspace. So I didn't have to like populate a bunch of information on my own. So that made that a little bit easier. So when we're looking at the tax documents here, the one thing I wanted to make you aware of is on the state side, the NYS 45 in New York State. that's going to be a completely different type of form depending on which state your employee is in. So again, that's where you may want to consider the Plus package if you have multi-state payroll, because they're going to be figuring this out state by state and what the unemployment insurance rates are in those states and filing those quarterly reports for you and making sure that your taxes are being paid on time. One of the things I use a lot on here too is I like looking at some of the reports. So like lately, I've been making sure that we're making our benefit deductions, so I can see a quick report here and I can specify the employees and see how much have they contributed this year. Are we maxed out yet? And be able to see these reports quickly. Personally, I don't get a lot into time and attendance. But if you're somebody who's using time tracking, that's something that you can do on this platform as well. I just personally don't have any firsthand experience with it. So what I like about Gusto is since I've been using it for 5 years, I've only seen the price go up $10 a month, and it was just on this plan. It used to be $39, but the $6 a month has held true the entire time I've used it. And I have seen a lot of different features and functionality added to the platform within that time. And as mentioned earlier, there is a link in the description below, which will give you a free Visa Debit gift card. So you can get some free money if you use my referral link when you're getting set up with Gusto. So it's a win-win because we both make some money when you use that link, and it's no extra cost to you when you're getting set up on the platform. If you are curious, I do have a best payroll services video where I go through the top payroll services. But if you want to go into more detail, I'll go into that in this video for you. And again, thank you for using my link in the description below. I'll catch you in the next video.